Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will unlock the features of the iPhone, and I wanted to show you the way how you can know the time on the other country from you only with your iPhone. So here you just need to open your iPhone, and then you just need to slide your screen into the left side until you got this app library, and then you just need to tap or click is this a clock. Then you just need to go click this word clock right here, and then you just need to go to this plus button and pick what country that you want to know, and especially for the city. So you just need to click one of them, and then they will show the time difference between the location of you with the country that you choose. So here on my country, it's like 21 and 43, and then for the Beijing, it's 22 and 43. Instead, there will be like a 1 hour difference between this country or the city. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. You can do further as just put your needs on here, and you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.